Hello dear students. So in this series of short clips on physics for the NEET preparation, initially we will start basic numericals. So we have selected first topic as a use of basic mathematics in physics and the vectors. So based on this topic, let's have first numerical, that is a circular arc is of length pi centimeter and radius 6 centimeter, and we have to find angle subtended by it at the center in radians and degrees. Okay, so let's start the solution. So in this problem, it has given that the radius of the arc is 6 centimeter, you can see in the figure, and the length of the arc is pi centimeter, and we have to find the angle subtended by it, that is theta. So as we know that length of the arc is equals to the product of radius of the arc and the angle subtended by it. So by rearranging, we can say that the angle subtended by the arc is equals to the length of the arc divided by the radius of the arc. So by substituting the values, we can see the theta equals to pi divided by 6. Now this value will be in radians, as both are in centimeter, so this will get cancelled and we will get the angle in radians. So it is the pi by 6 radians. Now as we know that 1 radians equals to 180 degree divided by pi. So in radian, if we put this value or multiply by this 1 radian conversion, we will get theta equals to pi by 6 multiplied by 180 degree by pi. So by solving it, we will get theta is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, so we have got the angle subtended by the given arc as a pi by 6 in radians and 30 degrees. Hope you got the solution.